Hello everyone, welcome back to Protect Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how we can speed up your torrent up to 3 times using uTorrent. Well, first of all, take a look at my download speed right now. This is the default download speed. There are only less seats or peers, and as you can see, my download speed is too low. It's not even about 1 MB per second. Okay, now let us see the same download speed after doing all of those steps. So just okay, download speed is catching up. It's up to 3 MB per second. Now just follow all the steps which I do in this video in order to speed up your torrent download. First of all, go to preferences over here. Here you would find a connection known as bandwidth. Here, the zero means unlimited bandwidth, but you can just specify some specific bandwidth such as 100, and you can actually increase the number of connected peers per torrent. I can just set it to some values like 250 over here. Number of upload slots per second could just remain the same. You could just increase it to 500. You can actually set the speed limit over here. Click on apply. Next, go to connection, and if we have this turned off, just click on this and then enable UPnP port mapping. It is a very important thing to increase the speed limit. Then next, go to advanced over here. Just set it to some value like 80. Now click on apply over here. Go to queuing. Set the number of torrents to be downloaded to 1. That is, just remember the concept. If you are downloading one torrent, you can just make sure that all the bandwidth goes to that single torrent, and you can just complete the torrent download faster. But if you are ever in need of downloading 2 or 3 torrents, you can just set to the number of torrents. I'm just going to set it for 1 because I'm just going to download a torrent at a time. So I'm just going to click on OK over here. Now all the settings has been applied. Now let us try to start the download. Previously the download speed went up to 4 MB per second. Right, now let us just see how much the download speed goes. As you can see, even though right now the seats or peers is less, my download speed is increasing. We just connect to more peers. Right now there are less peers online, but if more peers get connected, my download speed is going to get increased even more. You can also change the trackers. If you want a list of trackers, I would just leave it in the description, or it would be better if I make a separate video showing you guys to change the tracker. So if still this speed is not enough, then you can actually increase the speed by setting trackers. So if you want to learn how to set trackers in uTorrent, then there is a separate video which I will post, and I will leave those videos link in the description or the first comment. So please go make sure to take a look at it. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protect Genius signing off. That's it for today's video. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.